Dear Mom, I love you so much. Thank you for everything you have done for me. You're the best mom ever. You have gave me so much love, especially my children. You have been there for my children all their lives. I'd appreciate everything you've done for my children and for me. There's time that I needed help at my house, and I asked you to come over, to sleep over, to help me out. Mom, you're the best. You always come over and help me out. I'll never forget those moments. I couldn't do or be a great mom without all your help. I thank God for you as my mom. I love you so much, Mom. And thank God for you, for my children in my life. Your love will never be forgotten, Mom. I love you.